pretty unbelievable. What are we doing? We're walking over the Daytona Beach Bridge. About to head into the precinct for the first time, so very, very cool. We got the jewels tonight. Can't wait.
Triple overtake James Lodge, move of the race. The flag is going to wave for James Lodge.
The Kaizen Award is awarded to the driver that displays continuous improvement over a season, and it involves a money can't buy experience, typically overseas. So initially I saw Daytona, I'm like, oh, I have to get this. Like, I've always wanted to go to Daytona.
The winner is James Lodge.
I was very, very hopeful that it would be me. I was quietly confident that it would be too, but then when my name actually got called, I kind of thought I was dreaming. I think the first time it all sort of felt real was when we're landing at Dallas Airport and I saw the first like massive American flag. I was like, yeah, we're in America now. So we're at the GR Garage in Mooresville. This is where the 86 Cup cars are built for the North American Championship. The factory is just incredible, seeing how all the cars are built and manufactured.
Our goal was to build 100 of these cars. I think we've torn down through 96, and we're building cars 77 or 78.
They all look just beautifully built. The most amazing thing for me was upstairs in the driver development section.
We believe that the best program is the one that you'll do. So we've kind of identified some key areas that are beneficial for our drivers. Anytime you can pull that heart rate down quickly, it saves them in the car.
Drivers can use this 24/7, so there's no limitations on how often we can do it.
Yes, it's really cool. Australia's not the only place you can go racing, and yeah, certainly if I could get over to the States and do a couple races one day, that'd be pretty cool.
Good there, guys.
Yeah, hey, morning. How long will you be over?
It was absolutely incredible to see at JGR the sheer size of the factory and the amount of people and labour that goes into getting those cars on track. I had the pleasure of meeting Coach Joe himself.
Good to have you guys coming in and visiting.
Yeah, he was absolutely a pleasure to talk to. Got a photo with him, got to wear one of his Super Bowl rings, so that was pretty cool.
That's what we're trying to get right there. We've got a few of them, but it'd be nice to get another one this weekend.
Had an absolute ball. It's something I've always wanted to see, and can't wait to go back home and tell all my friends and everyone I know about it. We're here at the 2311 factory, co-owned by Denny Hamlin and Michael Jordan, and what an absolutely incredible facility. We went for a tour of the entire factory, saw where the cars are built, the engines, the transporters, everything. Just went for real behind-the-scenes stuff, and it was absolutely amazing to see these amazing facilities, like how modern and new they are, but also how advanced the technology is. Like, in terms of NASCAR, it's quite advanced, and I was very taken aback by that. We visited the TRD factory, and I had the opportunity to go on to their NASCAR Simulator. Got to do a few laps around Charlotte oval circuit. I am going on this simulator. I'm turning left really fast. I need one of these in my house.
So you're making up some really good lap time. So if you look at your data screen, the red line is Tyler Reddick's data. All you need to do is go a little faster, and that's it, you just go a little deeper in turn one.
That was ridiculous, that was insane. It's like you're actually in the car. Yeah, you just have such a good feel for when the car's starting to understeer and then when it's starting to oversteer. It's just unbelievable. Wow, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I'm James Lodge, winner of the 2024 Kaizen Award. We're here at Daytona International Speedway. It's race morning, gates haven't opened yet, but it's absolutely buzzing. It's going to be an awesome day. Reminded me of like a AFL Grand Final, but everyone's allowed onto the field for the pre-race stuff or the pre-game stuff. It's American, it's big, it's loud, it's in your face, I love it. When the cars come past for the first time, it like knocks your socks off, like how fast they're going. Like you can actually feel the wind like blowing onto your face and you're 30 meters away from them. Got to sit on the pit box at 2311. It was an amazing experience seeing the engineers at work. And then the coolest thing for me was probably the pit stops. Like seeing the crew like jump into the pit lane at the last second, get the jack under. That was something really cool.
Probably the best motorsport event I've ever been to and probably ever will go to. I'm very grateful to have experienced that, and I hope one day I get to do it again.
I have to thank Toyota Australia and Toyota North America for giving me this opportunity to go over and experience what I got to experience in Daytona. I certainly will never forget it. I learned a lot about myself and about how to approach my racing career, and I'm very grateful for that experience, so thank you.